I'm currently in a shed cleaning it out after all the projects that we've done over the past year. It is an absolute bomb site. There is things and rubbish everywhere. But about a year ago, I found something in a skip when I was walking down the road that somebody was just throwing away. And I knew instantly when I seen it, I thought, that is going to make some money if I get them and put them on eBay. So I went and seen the resident, knocked on the door and said, excuse me, can I take those out your skip? And they was like, yes sir, certainly, please take those away. So I brought them home, and all I've done, I've just dumped them on the side in my shed over the last year because I've just not had time to do it. But now I'm getting to the point where I'm going to get them listed. So let's get them inside. Let's give them a really good clean and let's get them on eBay and see how much money they're actually gonna make. Let's do this. Hey up Duck, you're right, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. Every subscriber does help, believe it or not. So like I said, I'm in my shed. It's a right bloody mess. Look at that, you can't believe it. But I've got something in here that I know is going to make me some money. So let me show you what I found in a skip about a year ago. Are you ready for this? If you're an 80s and 90s child, you're going to absolutely bloody love it. So let's have a look. So I found these, some Liverpool second kit. There you go, Subbuteo players. And the Liverpool 741 home kit, Subbuteo players. There you go, and also some WWE action figures. There you go. There's the Hulk, British Bulldog, them dudes, both of them. That guy, the Hulk again. I don't think that's genuine, is it? Jesus, that's a rip-off if I've ever seen one. Anyway, as you can see, it's also got the ring. Look at that. Now, it doesn't have, dig it out, bloody Christ. It doesn't have the little control box there. I think it has some sounds on it, so you could push it and it'd make noises. The ropes, elastics, obviously gone. They're absolutely buggered. I don't think that's a genuine one either. Look at the state of that. What the hell's happened to him? What the hell? He had an hard battle. But yeah, so, oh, he's hanging on for dear life. There you go. But yeah, got the ring. Got some wrestlers. So he got wrote on his arse. Macho King. Whoa, it's Macho Man. Woo! Randy Savage. There you go. I think it is now. If my failing memory serves me right, I don't think some of these are genuine, are they? If they are, damn. Back in the 80s and 90s, they were rough. So yeah, so I found them. I'm going to get them on. Let's see what they're going to make. Oh, in fact, whilst I'm putting that on, there was also this Lego system. It's at 6268. Unopened, everything still in the bag. How awesome's that? So yeah, I'm going to get these inside. I'm going to get them on eBay and we're going to see how much money we're going to make. Let's do it. Hey, what's up with you, man? How you doing? Hey. So they're sat there drying. The next thing to do is give this a clean. I've just brushed it off with a nice soft brush. I'm now going to get some damp kitchen roll, wipe it down, and we'll see what it looks like once I give it a clean. In fact, what I might do, I'll just remove the elastics just to make it easier. Put them back on, get them tight the best I can. I have to tie them off. So white, blue, then red. Get them off. Put them back on after. I wonder if they come out as well. I'm not going to mess about trying to take them out just in case I break the corners of the ring. So let's wipe it down. Let's get some kitchen roll. Trying to avoid going too hard on the decal. So give the top of the ring a clean. Oh, there's a crack in it. You bastard. Oh well. That's going to devalue it a little bit. There's a crack in it. It's a shame. Oh. So that is the ring clean, and that is the colour of the kitchen roll. All I'm going to do now is get these elastics back on. So that is the ring all done. I've had to tie the ropes at the back, there you go, just like that, but it is what it is. That's the little crack in the ring, the mat of the ring, it is what it is. But other than that, it's cleaned up pretty well. So as the characters. I'm not going to advertise the two snide ones, or two copies. So the ring and the wrestlers will get advertised. Next thing to clean is the Lego set. I'm not going to push on too hard that I ruin the print. Give it a quick wipe over. Not too bad to be fair, but you want it to be all nice and clean. Don't want to get the cardboard too wet. Especially don't want to bust any of that plastic on the top. Because as soon as that's bust, I can't say it's never been opened, can I? So that's the insides and that done. The sides a little wide. Box, bit of the print damaged on the sides, but what do you expect? It's probably 30 years old. The label's still intact. Try and keep that as is. That side of white. And the other. Try not to ruin that seal. And the bottom. That is all I need to do to that. Next thing is the subbuteo players, and I'm just going to do the same as what I did to the Lego. So give it a wipe. There we go, wipe the box. Not too hard, not too rough. Don't want to ruin any of the print. I'll try and get them sitting back inside the boxes properly. But failing that, that is all I'm going to do to them, I think. I need to take them out and give them a clean on the inside. Let's give their shells a clean. Oh, that one just sat back straight in there, perfect. They're done, ready to go. So that is it. The whole lot cleaned and done. The next thing to do is list it and get it on eBay and see how much money I'm going to make. So there they are, all in the ring. One massive Royal Rumble. What I'll do, I'll get some pictures of them like that in the ring, and then I'll take some individual pictures and get all the individual photos, because they're not all perfect. There's some of the little spikes missing, as you can see there. Some of the movements of the arms don't work fully. So what I'll do, I'll get them pictured, I'll get them get a description in, and then we'll get them on eBay. So I'll stick the descriptions and the pictures that I've put up now so you can see what I've actually done, and then I'll report back later on in the week, probably midweek, because I'm going to put all these on auction just to see what they where they're at, what action I've had on any of the bids or anything like that, and then we'll wait until next Sunday, because this is Sunday when I'm putting them on, and we'll see what they're going to finish at. So this was Thursday midweek, not a lot of action going off on the subbuteo players. The big surprise is the Lego, can't believe what that is at the minute. A little bit disappointed in the WWE, but we'll see what happens. First up on the auction block is the WWE figures. I forgot to put this little segment in originally on the video, so I'm having to put it in now. So you're going to join it with 30 seconds to go. Let's see what it's going to make. Hopefully it's going to make a ton of money. Let's find out. Ooh, the excitement. Still 62 quid, Jules. 25 seconds left. Come on. Go up, you bugger. No. Well, that was disappointing. Well, not bad for nothing. I thought it'd have gone for more than that, wouldn't you? £339. So, less than 2 minutes to go. It's £339. It is the big surprise. I was not expecting it on the Lego at all. I was more expecting the WWE and the wrestling figures and the ring to make more money than what it did. It only made £62, but £62 for nothing is a great deal. So we've got coming up to a minute to go on the Lego. It is unopened, as we've said, brand new, still in the packets, everything, and I think that's what's doing it. Well, it's going to be doing it. So £339, there's a minute to go. Can't believe the price. Hopefully it's going to go up some more, so let's get watching. 15 seconds, 10 seconds. 425. Come on, one more. Come on. £445. £445. Can you believe that? There's something I found in the skip. So we are up to £500. We're over £500. £507. I've just worked that out in my head. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, £507. So we're currently at £507 for something I found in the skip, and now I was not expecting that at all. Don't get me wrong, they haven't paid for it yet. So, being the optimist I am, until that money's paid, done and in, they've got it, received it, and they're happy with it, happy days. But until we've got that money, I'm not counting anything. So, hopefully, we're going to get that money. But £445, how amazing is that? Just coming up 2 minutes ago on the subbuteo, it is the Liverpool home kit that is finishing first. I can't see them going up too much, if any more than what they already are at, because of the state of the boxes and things like that. But you never know, they might go up, but every little helps, especially when it was free. So let's get looking at this auction and see what it's going to finish at. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ended. £5. No further bids on that on the Liverpool team, the home team. The away kit's the next one, and I believe that is a little bit more than what the home kit is at the minute. So let's see what the away team is going to make. So there's 10 seconds to go. Currently £6.50. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finished. Ended. No more bidders on that. Finished at £6.50. That is the end of the auctions. Unbelievable. Can't believe it. Absolutely amazed in what we've made. It's all profit. We're going away on holiday next month, so it's going to go towards that. Don't get me wrong, we've already spent it. So yeah, if you're ever walking about, be a little bit of a skip rat. Jump in there. You never know what you're going to find. Hit a mega golden nugget this time. Don't get me wrong, you're never going to find that all the time here, but it's all profit. It was all free. And so yeah, I did get permission as well. I knocked on the door and I says, can I take this out your skip? And they was like, by all means take it. So should have no comebacks on that front. So happy days. Cannot believe it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So happy. Just got to wait for them to pay now. Hopefully everybody will. If not, I'll just relist them. But yeah, happy days. Brucey bonus. So that is it. On that, we are finished. We are done. A few other bits coming off, but I didn't find them in a skip. I just found them lying around the house. So, see you there. Bye bye. Hello, Brian.